Bitcoin is breaking down right now, but how low can we actually go, and where will Bitcoin turn around at which specific level? That is something that I want to talk about today, and also I want to talk about the same outlook for Ethereum and Cardano. Hi guys, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and I want you to remember, guys, please do not forget, when you go here to my pinned comment below, you can still join here my Bybit troop. The competition will start really, really soon, so you can use my link to join our troop. And also, Phemex has right now a $2,000 deposit bonus. So you have to deposit there a little bit to be able to claim the bonus. Only with my link for my community. And also on Bybit, you get $600 for free using my link and complete certain tasks there. But now let's get here straight into the Bitcoin chart. So what we can see here on the 1 hourly chart, Bitcoin was trading here now for the last couple of days in a rising wedge, and I have seen this morning. So, and now we have broken down off that rising wedge, which is a highly bearish indication for the immediate short term for the Bitcoin price. So, and the technical target normally for this pattern would be all the way at the bottom. And as we can see, we have almost reached the target already. So the target would have been at $48,234. So we are really, really close to it already. And we can see that also here some support comes in because we have here this wick to the upside. So maybe the worst is here already over, but I want to have also a look on different other time frames and actually what caused that drop. So when we are looking here on the daily chart, if you remember, guys, I had told you yesterday that this level here, this resistance zone here, is a crucial resistance zone because it comes from the top section when we went to $65,000, and this will be a really, really, really extreme strong resistance level to break for the Bitcoin price. And we can see here we came yesterday pretty close with this candle, and from there got rejected. And now here trading a little bit to the downside. And that was exactly the scenario that I had told you guys, that there is a possibility that we get close to this level, potentially step even into it, which did not happen, come then back down, go a little bit sideways here, maybe even sideways down, and then we have a second attempt to break through it. And with that attempt, we should be able actually to break through. So, and yeah, that is actually what's happening here right now in the Bitcoin price. That we are getting here now, this rejection from that price level. And also that we come back here into this support box. So for now, the support box is holding really, really well, even on the daily chart. So I could draw here like a line like this. So that is like the strong support at $48,300 approximately for Bitcoin. And it seems like that Bitcoin for now, at least, doesn't want to go much lower. Also, when I look here at the volume, so you can see here the break under the rising wedge on the 1 hourly chart, that was supported with high volume. So that makes it a legit breakout to the downside. So now we have to see if there is actually more follow through coming in to complete the technical target or not. But I see already on other indicators that the bears here running out of steam. Let me get here to a 4 hourly chart for this. So if I take here the EMA ribbon, you can see that we got perfectly supported of the middle of the EMA ribbon. And that is something that we want to see when we are breaking into the ribbon, that we are not breaking much lower than the mid string of the ribbon. And yeah, I believe that we can potentially get here a bounce from that ribbon here to the upside, especially when I take also in consideration the stochastic RSI. So when we have here look at the stochastic RSI on the 4 hours, we are here on a stochastic RSI already in highly oversold conditions and really close to 0% level. So it is likely that we might experience here a briefer to the upside for Bitcoin. and that we get here then back into higher levels. So I also want to talk about these higher levels really quick. Yeah, so the next logical target for Bitcoin, in my opinion, would be definitely again here our resistance zone, 51,000 to 53,000. And once we are breaking above it, then yeah, all hell breaks loose, and then we are off in direction to a new all-time high, because then the next target will be the all-time high to break it and yeah, create a new one. And guys, remember, if you're an experienced trader and you want to take advantage of my trade calls that I give you absolutely for free, then you can go here to Bybit, where my trade is right now minus 14% because we are dropping here, but I'm still not concerned about my trade. I still will leave it open. And here on Phemex, where I'm still almost $45,000 in profit, you find links to both exchanges in the pinned comment below. So now let's get into Ethereum. So here in Ethereum, we see Ethereum is here on the daily chart also, or was trading in this resistance zone here. And I had also said that this resistance zone is also a heavy one for Ethereum to take on. And here we could see that Ethereum was trying to break $3,363 here, this level. And that was acting as a strong resistance. And because of it, we experience now the small correction to the downside here. Let me have a look here on the EMAs. So here we can see on the EMAs, so this now, the blue one is the 20 EMA. We are still way above the 20. We did not even come down to touch it, which is a good sign here. And also, when I look at the volume, there is no real volume coming in. So there's some volume coming in, but not a lot of it to support this move here to the downside. So we see we have here declining volume, which is an indication that a bigger move should be coming here in the next coming days potentially. So, but yeah, in my opinion, that will be just another move here to the upside. It could be actually a move above this resistance zone. Then I also want to have a look here on the shorter time frames. So here you can see that Ethereum is potentially forming an M pattern. So normally the second part of the M should be lower than the first one, but here it's the other way around. So, and if we would measure this, so now, then, so there you go. So, and then to, oh, sorry, my mistake. My mistake, guys. I was confused a little bit. That's how you draw your M. So let's assume that the M would be completed here. So then this would bring down Ethereum to, yeah, roughly $3,000 if this plays out. So it is possible that Bitcoin turns around earlier already before we complete this M pattern, and then Ethereum will be drawn up on the wave with Bitcoin to the upside again. Yeah, guys, then remember, we have also this trading competition coming up here really soon in 5 days, guys. In 5 days, registration will be closed. So if you want to be part here of the AMCrypto army, then go here to Bybit and click here on VSOT and join and search for AMCrypto army and join the troop. If you are joining the troop, remember, you will stand a chance also to win one of the merch packages that I'm sending from Bybit directly to you guys. So yesterday, the two people got contacted and they have also reached out to me. So congratulations to you guys. I cannot wait for the videos how you are unpacking your merch. So, and today I will also draw now in any moment the next two winners that are in my troop and stand a chance to win off these packages. But first, let's go quick also into Cardano. So here in Cardano, you can see right now that we went to the 1.236 Fibonacci extension level that I was talking yesterday, and we're consolidating above it. But now also here we broke down, and here is something potentially dangerous forming. So it is maybe too early to tell already, but look at this, guys. Left shoulder, head, and here could be potentially the right shoulder. So we have to wait a little bit longer for this. So we have to wait here another 3 days to see if this is actually completing. But if it would, we would have a pattern like this, more or less, for head and shoulders. So, and this would give us then the target. So that could bring us back to $2 approximately. So keep this in mind when you are trading ADA right now, that this could be a potential scenario. If we are not seeing something like this here happening, then here could be potentially a head and shoulders be forming. But yeah, as I said, guys, it is maybe a little bit too early for that. So now let's get into our drawing here. So let's quick check how many people are in the troop right now. So if there's still 27 or more. No, it's still 27. Okay, so then we will have a look. 1 to 27. And let's see who is the winner today. 21. So 21 is Trader Boy. Trader Boy, congratulations. You have won one of the merch packages. Please reach out to me on Twitter or Telegram to claim your your merch. So now let's get to the second person. Number 8. Number 8 is Sombrero. Sombrero, please reach out to me on Twitter or Telegram so that I can get in touch with you also to send you your merch package. Yes, guys, that's it already for today again here. Please don't forget to smash up the likes, hit the subscribe button, hit also the notification bell, and please let me know in the comments below what you think is going to happen here to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. I want to know your opinion, what you think, how low we are actually going. And remember, guys, I will see you tomorrow.